Hey guys, it's your girl Chilee and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how easy it is to do your own graduation cap and turn it from this to this. Like a lot of people, I wasn't going to decorate my cap because I felt I wasn't as creative. But you guys, this is really simple and it didn't cost a lot of money. So if you're interested, then please keep watching. To start off, I was just gonna show you guys how much it actually cost. It only cost me $15 from Michael. Right here, I got a bunch of different colors of glitter cardstock. This only costs about $1.50 and they have this sticky adhesive on the back, which also makes it easier to apply to your cap. I also got some glitter letters, and unlike most people, I used Gorilla Glue instead of a hot glue gun. It cost way less and it does the job just the same. I also got some graduation stickers and some diamonds that was about a yard long. So like I said, you don't need to go out and buy all these extra supplies. I literally just found something that had a straight edge and I used that to measure the excess surrounding of my graduation cap. Right here, I'm just using a pen to outline it. So because this cardstock is kind of squishy, it makes it really easy to outline things so that you have a clear line to follow when you're cutting. Next, you need to cut out this small circular space where your tassel will hook around. So again, I just took a regular pen and I punched a lot of holes and kind of outlined the little circles so that I knew where to cut. Once you're done cutting, you're just going to want to make sure that it fits perfectly around it, and then it's time to glue. So again, this sticky adhesive makes it better to attach to your cap. So you just want to take your glue and kind of circle around the four corners and around the middle so that it has extra security. Time to place your letters on your cap. Pretty much any letters that you get is going to have a sticky adhesive on the back, which made it really easy to place but not permanent. So once you've placed everything, you're going to want to do the same with your decorations. I went ahead and arranged them how I kind of wanted them to be before I glued them down. So next, I wanted to trace the continent of Africa, but use the colors of Nigeria's country to represent where I was from. So here I'm measuring how big to make Africa, and then I began to sketch the continent. So honestly, I feel like it would be way easier if you printed out a cutout of Africa, but if you don't have those resources, you can use your own handwork. So right now, I am using the cardstock to press into it so that I know exactly where to cut. So a third of it would be green, the middle will be white, and then the outside will be green as well. So I just continue to press through the cardstock until each color is finished. Yeah, I did that. I was getting a little excited, but next you will need your fruit snacks. So this is an important part in case you get a little hungry while you're making everything. You're going to get the tropical flavor of fruit snacks. No, I'm just playing with y'all. Y'all don't need this. But anyways, let's continue with our cap. Now that I finished cutting everything out, I went ahead and took my Gorilla Glue and glued it on so that it can be secured. Next, I began to glue down my letters and everything else so that it will not slip or fall during graduation. you run out of certain letters, do not fret. Right here I took a C and a I in order to make the letter D. So if you do run out of letters, it should be pretty easy to cut them out and create new letters. Finally, it is time to add my school's letters. So I do attend Howard University. Oh, I'm sorry, I did attend Howard University. I am now an alumna. And right here, I just again took my pen and freeballed it and then used the cardstock to press in and create these letters. Last but not least, everybody loves a little bling. So I went ahead and took my diamonds and I outlined the perimeter of my cap until I was finished. So thank you guys for watching. This completes our video. If you have not already, make sure you subscribe and I can't wait to see you in my next video.